Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over billing types, per user billing or per group billing. I'm currently in the subscription management tab in the Inhouz Cloud console. I'm going to jump into into one of our subscription services called Support Auth. It's in the production environment and it is an external service type. We're going to jump into the plan, just look at one of our plans. All right, so here we see something called billing type, and here we see per user. All right, so this is a paid plan. So the way it works is that when it is per user, then users are going to be charged individually. So for example, this is the same service. This is just a sign up page. We have filled this form up. As it says, right, it is $30 per user per month based on our pricing configuration of $30 and our price term of 1 month, right? So this is, a plan that does allow team signups. So let's say, we had one person sign up to this plan, it is $30. If we had two people sign up to this plan, it is $60 because it's $30 per user per month multiplied by 2. If you had 3 users, $90, right? But if we change this to per group pricing, then regardless of the number of users that are on this plan, then it's going to just be one price. So, when you're using a group pricing, it's always a good idea to have a limit to the number of that group. So I can say here, well, for 3 users, right, for this plan, well, this plan is limited to 3 users and it's, $30, and it's for 1 user, 2 users, or 3 users. And when the user attempts to add a fourth user, well, they're going to get a message that they cannot add a fourth user because they have reached the limit. So in order to add a fourth user, they might have to change plans. All right, so that's pretty much it for the billing type, per user or per group. Per user pricing or billing rather is just billing by the user, and per group is basically billing by the group. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.